stop throwing away your trash from your juicing, your carrot and your beetroot, I'm going to show you how to put this to full use. So after juicing, bag it up, freeze it up. When your husband or your children asking for something sweet, if it's something sweet and a bake, we're going to turn this into a little bake. So to a bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour, baking powder, sieve it up real well, and open up your spice cabinet and draft your spices. I usually add some cinnamon, some nutmeg, and what else? Any other thing you have in your cupboard. And this is going to turn out into a delicious beetroot and carrot cake. You're going to combine that really well. Then you're going to add 2 eggs. Of course, you're going to take out the eyes out of the egg. Add some oil. So this is quick and easy. This can be done in under an hour. Some vanilla, a little special something. Mix that up and put it to the side. And of course, you want to add your sugar. And you can do this. Don't add too much, too little. I think I added about 9 ounces or 11 ounces, something like that. Yes, you're going to combine that really well, and you're going to mix the wet ingredients to the dry batter. Combine it really well. After it mix up, combine up, now you're going to draft your beetroot and carrot that you have defrosted after you have it in your freezer. So to this mixer, I added around maybe, as you can see, 3 spoonfuls. And again, combine it really well until you get the right consistency. This consistency look a little bit too stiff, so we want it a little bit softer so that when the cake come out, it's more moist. So I added a little almond milk to this to give it some more moisture. And there goes my little helper. It's always helping me. Actually, he was the one that said, can we bake something? And this is the result of us baking something. Now we're going to add that to our oven, preheated oven of about 350 degrees, I think it was. And we want to make sure that we get out every drop of this delicious batter, this delicious ingredient. And voila, there it is. You have some nice bake. And this is so moist. You can also add nuts, you can add fruits, whatever you like. Let me know if you will be trying this carrot and beetroot cake. Bye.